them, you want to be able to keep a structure for what do you include on your 60-minute chart? What do you include on your 15-minute chart? What do you want to do for annotating a 5-minute chart? You may not want to do a 5-minute chart. I personally think that a 5, a 15, a 60-minute, 4-hour daily, weekly, and monthly chart should be included every single week. And that's why trading 1 or 2 currency pairs or markets is important, because you can't just do this with 30 different markets and have efficient use of your time. You only need one market really to do well and make a career out of it, but I like to have the incorporation of SMT studies and correlation. So we could compare notes of what we show here on a 15-minute basis on the euro dollar to that of what we're showing here in this cable. But nonetheless, the way you annotate your charts is completely and utterly up to you. As you go through the mentorship, and for the charter members, as you learn more content in 2019, 2020, your charts are going to morph into another evolution stage where it's a lot more detail and it's things that you'll be looking for versus what's already happened. So each day you want to do this for a 15-minute chart. And then on the weekly, as a result of the whole week's data, on a Saturday or a Sunday when you want to do the analysis, you want to do a 60-minute chart on the weekend and go back over the full week. And same thing with the 4-hour. You do not want to do it during the week, but you want to annotate your 15-minute charts because you're going to see all of the micro fractals and the 5-minute chart also. So I'm sorry, I should have said 5-minute and 15-minute on a daily basis. So you just break down your chart, draw your annotations, put the things you want to have as reference points on here, and then once you have your chart the way you want to keep it and preserve it, for Forex Ltd or MetaTrader, you go up to File, click Save Picture As. Now, I like to create these links because I share them with everyone online, and it also gives me a record inside of my, there's like a log down in here when you open up your account information box, and you can click on that. It's like a journal. It tells you, it keeps a running log of every link you ever create with a chart. So that way, I do it like this because if I lose something, I can go back and fish it out by